Lafond, and I'm from the French Loire Valley and Beaujolais Living Lab from the Living Soil project. So this Living Lab aims to deal with soil health in grapevine, in vineyards. So in two regions in France, two viticulture regions, the Beaujolais and the Loire Valley. Around erosions, soil balance in nutrients and in water, in relation with different evolution of the context like climate change and pesticide use reduction as well. So there are some new ways to manage vineyards that are coming in, like cover crops, but that induce some competition, so we have to deal with all these issues. The heart of the community in our Living Lab is wine growers, and well, for them production is what they make them a living, so they have to have a yield that allows them to earn enough money to live, so that's basic. And then to make some produce that reach the quality levels they want to access, so that's basic. And all the issues like erosion and water stress and that can. Because in grapevine you don't want to have the maximum yield usually. You have to find the right balance to get the yield that will give you the good quality and enough production to make a living. If you have some, well, like water stress or some loss of nutrients in the soil, then you don't get this yield, and you can also lose some quality. So that's really why these issues are really important. And all the stakeholders that we have around the growers are usually here to help them to reach this yield. Then we will have some other stakeholders that are more like NGOs or local communities that might have some other interests, like water quality or in environment impacts of agriculture, and that we have to take that into account as well. Two things I think would be really important in that project. First one, making a network of living soils to be able to exchange with peers on our experiences of what we're doing and the way we are doing it and why it works or why it doesn't. And the second thing would be some like coaching or training to have some insights of how do we need to manage a living soil, because a living lab, sorry, because well, it's something quite new for us actually. I think what we have to do is to involve them quite deeply in the life of the Living Lab. So involve them in the governance, involve them in the decisions to take, so that it became their Living Lab and not ours. Well, I think that's what a Living Lab is supposed to be. Well, of course, we'll be happy to have some exchanges with other Living Labs on the same topics or in different topics, maybe to see also some different sites on soil health in France or in other countries as well. That's the benefit of being in a European project.